mental retardation, its causes, and how it affects teaching and learning in the classroom. Mental retardation is a serious but unnoticed condition that is mostly found among our learners in the classroom. There are several of our learners who are experiencing some of this condition, and yet there's nothing being done about them. We can attribute the fact to maybe lack ignorance, or the fact that there are no specialists in our schools. Yes, just visit any public school or any private school in Ghana and you'll be shocked. Special education teachers that should be sent to various schools in the country cannot be found. So because of this, these conditions are actually affecting the learners and is even on the rise. A simple head count, will tell you that the problem is a serious one. Yes, so mental retardation is a serious condition. Now, one funny aspect of it is that now there are several myths and beliefs surrounding the causes of mental retardation. Now, some believe that it is caused by witches, ghosts, some punishments, and so on. But scientifically or educationally, do we have other causes apart from these causes that people believe in? Yes. One of the causes is genetic condition, such as a chromosomal disorder or abnormality. You understand? Such as the Down syndrome. The Down syndrome. Now, when children are affected with the Down syndrome, now it goes deep, or it goes as far as affecting the learner's mental condition or mental state. And this actually affects their ability to learn if the condition is not addressed. Another cause of mental retardation is drugs. Yes, drugs. Some of our mothers, some of our female folks take certain drugs, some prescribed, some unprescribed, during pregnancy. Yes. And some of these drugs are so powerful that they affect the development of the child. They affect the mental development of the child, the cognitive skills of the child. And some of these things result in mental retardation. Mental retardation. Now, the third major cause of mental retardation is maternal malnutrition. Maternal malnutrition. Some people have been malnourished from birth. Since they were in the womb, their mothers never ate the right food. So because of that, they too were not given the right nutrients to help them develop. There are some pregnant women, for one reason or the other, will have to take in soil and other things during pregnancy. Some can eat banku without with only pepper, the red pepper, not grinded with tomatoes and so on, the direct pepper, no fish, due to some condition. Some of this may affect the mental growth or the mental development of the child. Another cause of mental retardation are some sexually transmitted diseases or some diseases in general. Some diseases such as syphilis may affect the mental development of the child. We have certain conditions such as meningitis, rubella, that is the German measles, mumps, and so on. All these are diseases which may affect the mental development of the child. The next cause of mental retardation is irradiation. That is the use of X-ray. Sometimes when parents are pregnant and they go to the hospital for scanning and other things, sometimes they go through these X-rays, and these X-rays are so powerful that they go directly to the child, and sometimes they affect the mental development of the child. Yes. So the use of X-rays. And the last but not the least is lead poisoning. Lead poisoning, yes. Sometimes we take in lead in mistakenly. Maybe it's contained in our food or in our medicines and so on. And sometimes when these things are poisoned, it causes mental retardation. Now, the effect of mental retardation in with regards to teaching and learning is that now it makes it difficult for the child to learn when that condition is not identified. And no wonder, if you visit our schools, we have such conditions, but it has not been discovered. And that maybe explains why we have the kind of performance we have in our schools. If you get this video, don't forget to share. If you have any comment, message, drop your message, or send your message via WhatsApp to 0244 299 706. Aminu Right TV, changing lives, inspiring generations.